Welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to show you a floating heart for Valentine's Day.
Now this style takes about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your hair length and texture.
So let's get started.
I already went ahead and sectioned her hair off and put it into a ponytail. You're going to take this ponytail and start making a braid. When you make this braid, make sure that it's tight. And I'm going to stop right here at the bottom of her neck. And I'm going to secure it off with an elastic band. Okay, so now you're going to split this ponytail in half. And you're going to create 2 braids, one on this side and one on this side. So now that you have 2 braids at the end of this section of the ponytail, you're going to take the braids and just curve it and then secure that off with an elastic band. Okay, so bring that elastic band right down here where the other one is. Okay, so now you're going to take this and bring this together. And you're just going to make an arch. Make sure you have enough length of braid to make that heart. Now you're going to secure this off with another elastic band. Okay, so now see how it's drooping down here like that? For you to have it so it's like this, where the arch is up here more, right? Take a section from her hair in the back and set the heart where you want it. You secure it off with an elastic band. Okay, so you're going to slide this elastic band down to this elastic band right here, just so that it blends in with each other. And then you can release these elastic bands, and then it looks like it's just floating. Instead of having that heart go down, it's just floating because of the back of this hair. And look it, it's just floating. A little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial.
If there's a style that you'd like us to recreate, leave a comment down below.
To check out more of our tutorials, click on over there and there.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach each other. Bye guys!
Bye guys and happy Valentine's Day!